Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove Gcash in Google Play. Go to your Play Store. So on the upper right corner, you can see your profile. Click on Payments and Subscription and then proceed to Payment Methods. And there you can see the payment methods available, linked to you, specifically your Gcash. And on the lower side, there you can click the Make Payment Settings. So click on that, and then you will be redirected to the page wherein you can remove or edit your payment method. So proceed to Gcash, click Remove. So click on that, confirm remove, and then refresh. So as you can see, you can no longer see the Gcash payment account. Again, refresh the payments and subscription, and there you can no longer see your Gcash. So it's easy as that. You can go try and linking your Gcash to Play Store now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.